din dito pag tambayan, no? Pag fellowship sa river. Dito tayo sa riverside. Kahanap ako ng spot na pwede tayo mag-practice na magtali ng hammock gaming. Ito ito mga puno, ganda. Ayun na yung gym. Dami ako mamaya sa gym. Ito kaya dito, masyadong malayo. Ito pala, oh. Kaso puro scratch yung puno. Parang inakyatan ng mga squirrel. Doon dito sa dalawang puno na to. Wait. What I use today is white AX series hybrid bike. Dito pre, ito sweet spot. The problem when it rains, pare. Hindi naman siguro ulan. Testing na natin. Practice tying a hammock before going to the gym, or going to the gym first. Let's go to the gym first and then I will come back later. Let's go. Ipon tayo ng content para mayroon na tayong i-edit sa mga next. Huwag. I wanted to ride today going to Pori, pero tatamad ako, gastos na naman yun pre. Tipid nyo guys. See what a nice view, man. Standard lang muna. Wow! May dumaan sa gym. Tao na sa gym pre. Ito wala kasing puno eh. Ang lakas. Ang tumaas yung tubig ngayon. May tao sa gym pre. May tao na sa gym. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung spot. Yung spot pre. What a nice. Silipin ko lang sa gym, tapos kung may tao balik na ako. Let's go. Cancel guys, oh, look at the weather. All of a sudden it became windy. I want to practice tying a hammock, but it became windy guys. Look at this spot. See? Pinsa na tayo eh. Doon ako mag-edit sana, gawa ng thumbnail, kaso biglang uulan, ganun eh. Weather. Let's see. Let's go. And the other side. Just one down. Saan nakakita? Nakaano lang ito eh. Head strap tayo, head strap. Diyan pa L. Okay. All goods. That's it. Pakita ko sa inyo. Na tayong hamok pare. Adjust lang tayo. Siguro 1 down pa dito. 3 pinks pare. So malamig pare. Yan, isang baba pa. Ito isang baba pa. Siguro okay na yun. Testing natin. Oh, oh. Kaya. Kaya. Now I'm lying on my from AliExpress. Very nice. Let's go. Now I'm lying on my hammock from AliExpress. Alright. Sarap. Relax. Ay. I'm doing my thumbnail here and then I'm gonna go to the grocery now. I'm washing my clothes today. Alright, let's go. I think I'm gonna have shorts also. Short clips. Ang sarap po. Oh, very nice. Hammock. Hammock gaming tayo guys. Pag gumanda na yung panahon, hammock gaming tayo going to Rauma 50 km. Doon ako matutulog pag ganun guys. Mahanap na ako ng hotel siguro or what. Sarap. Sulit pre. Sulit AliExpress. Umalis na ba yung nagdi-gym doon? Umalis yung nagdi-gym doon pre. Sulit, nakaka-relax. Kahit na hammock lang pala, magaan lang yung hammock. Ganda lang ano, dalhin hammock, yung tali mo lang ganyan. Dapat pa L-shape siya. Pag L-shape ganyan, no? Ganyan siya. Pag nakuha mo yung L-shape na ganyan, yan yung tamang height niya. Dapat pa ganun siya. So, very good hammock. Hammock gaming tayo. Hammock gaming. I have a tent, but it's good for 3. But for now, because it's too bulky, when I gonna bring the tent, although it's only 2.1 kilograms, 2.4 kilograms, but it's too big. It's, yeah, something like this one, like this big. So it's bulky. So for this one, it can fit the backpack. This hammock. The problem with this one is if it's cold, but I have a what do you call that, a sleeping bag, so it's okay. Sleeping bag, and then the mattress. I didn't bring the mattress, and also I have a tarp here, but it will not rain or we will not sleep here. It's just we just test it out. We have a tarp. We will line the tarp here above, and then we will put it like a house, parang bubong niya, parang ganun. Yan, tarp sa ibabaw nito para complete setup. Even though it rains, we will not get wet. What I like about this one, it's in the pinned comment if you like to order same as this one. It's from AliExpress, pare. Meron siyang, it has a mosquito net already, so you just open this one, put it at the same line here, you put another line, and then yan, sabit mo na, and then you have a mosquito net already. If you can see in the video, because I'm just using the head strap today because I'll just go to the grocery. I just tested this one and have a content, and it's good. And you can see the weather is windy. Yeah, I edited my thumbnail already, gonna upload it later. I have an upload later, so please subscribe, consider subscribing to our channel. Sarap mahiga. Yeah, it's nice to lie down here, but the wind is cold. Sarap matulog dito. Susunod, sarap. So happy with this purchase from AliExpress. Ito matagal na. It's been a while now before I tested this out, because the weather here, after the snow, rain, the cold, but today it's good. Nasarapan ko na, hindi na makaalis, guys. See the birds, there. There's a lot of birds. Don't poop on me, huh? Hey bird, don't poop on me, bird. I can free as a bird now, and a bird cannot change. Bilis ng clouds. It's like the clouds are on time lapse. See, fast moving. The clouds are moving fast. It's like a time lapse. Alright, ano ba yan, guys? See you on the next vlogs. Thanks for watching. This is just my simple setup when we're gonna go on an adventure bikepacking soon, when the weather is nice already, because today it's just cold. Even here you can pitch a tent here. Next time I'm gonna pitch a tent. You just see for the branches that there's no dead trunk or trees, because it might fall, or it might fall on your head, and that's dangerous. There's a lot of people now in the gym. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. A lot of people on the gym now. I'm waiting for them to go, but there's a lot of people on the gym already. I cannot. I will do the push-ups. I'll just do the push-ups on my house. Alright, ganda. Sulit. Very nice. I like this. I like this one. Hammock. Shoutouts Michael Pascos, no? Galing nga, inintroduce niya sa akin dati yan, yung hammock. Sabi niya, hammock. Yun nga, ngayon ko lang na, yung camping pala is healthy, no? Ito yung Disc Golf Club, dito sila magsisimula. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila ihagis to. Ito, par 4. Ito, kita niyo ba? Disc Golf Park, par 4. So dito sila mag-start. Ewan ko saan nila itatapon yun ya. Basta meron silang pagsusyutan nun. Ewan ko nasan kaya yun. Ito rin, pwede rin dito mag fellowship. Okay din dito, ganda rin, solid din. Dito na ako sa malapit kasi ako pumunta ng forest ngayon, nakakapraning. At least dito may mga tao dun, kikita mo. Eh dun sa forest parang may biglang lalabas na bear. Okay dito, fellowship pare. Oh, shout out sa mga botanical boys pare. Oh, tapos 4x4 4x4 tapos ano, may dumaan na chicharon yan, kasyat mo na rin yung nagtitinda ng chicharon pag those were the days. Pati yung chicharon nagbabalot, kasyat mo na rin no, nagbabalot tapos pulutan nyo yung tinda nung nagbabalot. Grabe. Memories, kulit nun. Shout out sa mga tropa dyan, pati Melvin Jones dati, Melvin Jones sa ano, Burnham. Uy, ano to? Utang ano eh. Etchas pre, munti ko nang matapakan. Etchas. Almost I hit a landmine there. A poop. A dog poop. Alright. So I'm gonna go now to the grocery. See you on the next vlogs guys. Thanks for watching. This is my simple setup for my backpacking. Another setup because I have a tent also, but next time the tent because it's too bulky. Let's try it. Yeah, let's go. Not under 1 minute it's already set, packed up. See, it's so fast. Very good. I like this one, the hammock. Yeah, and just put it in the bag and we're ready to go. All right, what a nice hammock gaming. This is my panny bag from Bits XXL. I think it's 14 to 17 liters. So it's very good. It has a hard plastic here. Hard plastic, so it's compact here. It has a reflector. Yeah, I use this for groceries. I have two of this. The one is for my camping gears and the other one is for the other gears, groceries and food for camping and other stuffs like clothes. Yeah, so that's it. That's my setup. Additional bag here. This is specifically here in front, but I put it here so I can put my bike locks, my bike repair tools and something. This for my bike, other bike locks and interior bike components. Yeah, interior and other bike components. This one for water. This one is a big help, especially bike packing. You don't need to install a, what do you call this one, a bottle holder here. You just put it here, you can drink easily. Another one for food, energy snacks, power snacks like energy bar, chocolates, food stuff here, because it is insulated. It is insulated, so matagal lalamig, so it will not defrost that easily. Matagal siyang ma-defrost. And then this one is for my Garmin bike maps, for maps. Here's this one. So that's it. Bell. Okay, let's go. WTB Riddler, shout out Pare Albert. Let's go on to the next one. So just this setup, it's very compact. See, it can fit here, it can fit your backpack. See, daling ko pa rin to pag magta-travel ako around Europe sa mga susunod, because I will travel around Europe. I will bring this one. So let's have a camping tour. Camping Europe tour. Let's go.